Here's how to create infographics. In PowerPoint, open a new slide. Insert Smart Art. Click Insert, then Smart Art. Hover over layouts to preview them live. Enter your content, ditch full sentences. Customize colors and styles. Under Smart Art Design, tweak colors like you're dressing for the occasion. Add icons or images. Hit Insert, then Icons for visual shortcuts. Adjust layout and spacing. Hold Alt while dragging to fine-tune spacing. Final touches. Do the squint test, blur your eyes. What pops? That's your hero element. Align text, check fonts. Your first version is just the starting point. Keep tweaking until it feels right. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.